Hello, today we're going to be going over how to perform operations with monomials, and those operations will be multiplying, dividing, and raising them to an exponent. Reminding you that a monomial is an expression with only one term, so there will be no adding and no subtracting. We're going to start with multiplying. And what you need to know is when multiplying monomials, what you want to do is multiply the coefficients, which are the numbers in the front of the term, and you want to add the exponents on the like bases. So to start with, the 4 and the 5 are coefficients, so those you're going to multiply. So 4 times 5 is 20. Then for the p's, they have the same base, so an exponent of 2 plus an exponent of 5 would make it p to the 7. And for the r's, an exponent of 7 and an exponent of 3, when you add them, that's going to make an exponent of 10. Next, we're going to be dividing monomials. And when you divide, you're going to divide the coefficients, which are the numbers in the front, and you're going to subtract the exponents on the like bases. So the 20 and the 5 are coefficients, so those you're going to divide. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then on the c's, they're the same base. And what you want to remember is on the second c, there is no exponent showing, which means the exponent is a 1. So when you go to subtract them, 9 minus 1 is 8. So that would be c to the 8. And on the d's, an exponent of 6 subtract an exponent of 4 would give you d to the 2. Lastly, when raising a power to another exponent, all parts of the bracket get the exponent. So in this example, the coefficient of negative 6 would get the exponent of 2. The x cubed would get the exponent of 2. And the y to the 4 would get the exponent of 2. Then you're going to raise the coefficient to the outside exponent. Don't multiply it, it's an exponent. So negative 6 squared means negative 6 multiplied by itself 2 times. So negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. So you have to remember it's not negative 6 times 2, it's negative 6 to the exponent 2. Then you're going to multiply the exponent on the outside with each exponent on the inside. So these exponents get multiplied. So that would be x to the 6. These exponents get multiplied. So that would be y to the 8. So you do multiply the exponents, but the coefficient you want to remember gets an exponent. So it's negative 6 to the exponent 2, not negative 6 times 2. So that ends the basics of how to just multiply, divide, and raise a monomial to a power. The only other thing I want to point out is just to remember that if no exponent is showing, then the exponent is 1, such as we saw in this example right there.